Today we are going to discuss class 7 subject mathematics lesson number 2 fractions and decimal exercise number 2.2. Let's do some physical exercise, and here are the topics for the fractions. So revise the fractions, comparing and ordering of fractions. Here in one group 3 apples are given, on other side 5 apples are given. So we can say 5 apples are more than 3 apples, and we can put in as a mathematical way 5 is greater than 3. See, the 3 apples are less than 5 apples. So here both notations are showing here. Yes, my dear student, you are knowing very well how to put this greater than sign or less than sign. So we can say this both in different way. Now this represent the less than and this represent the more than sign. Okay, now students, comparing of like fractions. Like fractions, once again I remind you, those denominators are equal, they are called the like fractions. The examples are here: 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Let's see, all are like fractions. In the picture way we can also show 5 upon 8 is shaded green. Here 3 part is shaded out of 8. That's why we can say 3 upon 8. So these both are the like fractions. Yes students, these are the like fractions. And can we compare it, yes or no? Yes, like as natural number we can compare it. Whose numerator is bigger, that is a bigger number, and whose numerator is smaller, that is a smaller one. Okay, so both the way you can get the idea what is the answer here. See, 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Is it student? Yes student, here 5 is greater than 3. That's why 5 is greater than 3. 5 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Good. Same way you can make it say alternative. 3 upon 8 is less than 5 upon 8. Okay? Very nice. Now look at here for the next one. 3 part is selected out of 5 and 2 parts are selected out of 5. Okay? Good. Now the circle having the stars, there are the 3 stars and 1 yellow, 4 star out of 2 stars selected, and here 3 stars selected. Here out of 4 or 4. So we can say these are the 1 upon 4 is less than, 2 upon 4 is less than, 3 upon 4 is less than, and 4 upon 4. That's a 1. It's a ascending order. Smaller number come first. Like fractions means smaller number has to come first as a numerator. In here pictures 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 4. That's why the sign is here in ascending order. And vice versa, descending order also. 3 upon 3, 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 is a descending order, or you can make it is a 6 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 4 upon 7, etc. Look at here, the fractions which has greater numerator is greater. For like fraction only, once again I remind you, like fraction means the denominator should be equal. Yes student, denominator should be equal. Okay, let's see. Like fractions definitions also given here. Comparing and ordering of fractions with the same numerator. Yes student, here one picture is divided into 2 parts, second is 4 part, third is in 8 part, and fourth picture is showing a 16 part, and each and every one having the 1 part is selected. So from picture also you can find who is the bigger one. Yes, 1 upon 2 is the bigger one. First picture is bigger one, selected part. Second part, red color part, is a little bit small than first one. That's it, 1 upon 4th part of a wall. Fraction means 1 upon a wall, part of the wall. 1 upon 8 is also smaller than, and 1 upon 60 is very, very small. Clear? Good. Now look at here, 2 upon 12, 2 upon 6 and 2 upon 3. Yes, when the numerator are the same, but denominator are different, what we have to do? Very simple. Just we have to put whose denominator is smaller is bigger one, or is the biggest. Ascending order, you can just see 2 upon 12 is smaller than 2 upon 6, less than 2 upon 3. In all examples, 2 as a numerators. But here 12, 6 and 3 is the denominator. Yes, student? See, 12, 6 and 3. And first one, all 2 are there. Yes, numerator are 2. 2 upon 12 is less than 2 upon 6 is less than 2 upon 3. Is it? Good. Greater than or less than sign 9 upon 14 and 9 upon 10. Suppose in exam they can ask us like this, put the sign greater than or less than. What we have to check? Yes, numerator are same. Then denominator is smaller is bigger one. So this one is the bigger one. Understood? See, be careful. Huh? Yes. Yes, our answer is right. 10 part is bigger one. Comparing of fractions with different denominators. Yes, student, this is a new thing. First is a like fractions, then after the numerator is same. Now third one is a unequals. So unlike fractions. Here in first example 9 upon 14 and 9 upon 10. How you did? Just now for your imagination shortcut you got it. 9 upon 4 and 14 LCM is 10 and 14 is 140. Or cross multiply. Yes, here you can find now both the denominator having the 140, 140. Yes, student. So which bigger one? 126 is bigger one. That's why this number is a bigger one. That's why 9 upon 10 is bigger one. Because here 126 is big one. Comparing to this 9 upon 14, that 90 upon 140. Good. We will check this in exercise also. Arrange the given fraction in ascending order. Check out here, students. Yes, you are right. All numerators are equal. So, smaller, biggest number is smaller. Denominator is bigger is the smaller one. Here out of this 25 is the biggest number. So, we can write 7 upon 25 first. Now, remaining are 18 is the biggest. So, 7 upon 18. Then after 11 is there. So, 11 is there. 7 upon 11. Then after 10, 7 upon 10. At last, 7 upon 8. Now, look at here. 10 upon 20, 10 upon 15, 10 upon 29, 10 upon 50 and 10 upon 33. Arrange in descending order. Yes, student, here smaller number will come first. Yes, 10 upon 15, then upon 10 upon 20, 10 upon 29, 10 upon 33 and 10 upon 50. We are moving little fast because we have to start today exercise also. This is a revision. Like fraction or unlike, converting into the like fraction first of all. Whatever is given, you have to find out the LCM of that one and convert it. See here now, all are having the 24, 24, 24 and it is showing in colors also. These all things we did in our introduction section. Lesson number 2 introduction section, this all part I taken. Now once again for revision. Yes, my dear student, now exercise 1, question number 1 and 2 is here. See, the question is here with the colorful picture is given, left side A and left right side B part is given. That means A part having the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and B part having the small a, B, C, D. 2 and 1 upon 5. Suppose you have to check out where is the picture is divided into 5 cards. Which picture is divided into 5 cards? Yes, my dear student, you found it's a D. So, in front of 1, D is the answer. Okay. 2 into 1 by 2. Which part is divided into 2 parts? Yes, B is divided into 2 parts. That's why 2 के सामने B आएगा. Third, 3, 2 by 3. 3 parts किसमें students? Yes, first में A. So 3 has A. Check it the answer. Yes, my dear student, it's right. 1 के सामने D, 2 के सामने B, 3 के सामने A, और 4 के सामने whatever the left is there, C. Clear? Or you can say like this way, 2 and into 1 upon 5 means 2 times 1 upon 5. 2 into 1 by 2, that's means 2 times 1 upon 2. 3 into 2 by 3, that's means 2 by 3, 3 times. Yes. Now look at the second question. Question also is a picture wala. Match the following only. 3 questions are given here, left side, right side, you have to find out. 3 into 1 upon 5, that gives you 3 upon 5. Kisme devda? 3 upon 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you are right. 5 parts are there, out of 3 parts are selected. Yes, student, here is the C is the answer. Let's check. See, these 2 parts are there. 3 times 1, 1, 1 there. 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5. That means the 3 upon 5 is the correct answer. Check it. एक के सामने C आ गया, correct answer. Student, second के सामने, yes, A. Very good. 2 upon 5, 2 upon 3, sorry. And then last one is a B, whatever the remaining is there. Now, question number 3 is here on your screen. There are question number 1 to 10. First question is showing us 7 into 3 by 5. Second one is 4 into 1 by 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed number, mixed fraction. Student, mixed fraction is nothing but integer and a proper fraction. So answer is here for third question 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose we can take first one. It is here. Question is 7 into 3 by 5. That means multiply this both one, numerator and the integer. See, multiply sign is given. This is not a mixed number, student. Two numbers are there. Number 1 is a 7 and number 2 is a 3 upon 5. Both are in multiply. Yes, multiply means numerator, not 7 alone. 7 alone is not there. 7 upon 1 is there, student. Actually 7 upon 1. So numerator with numerator and multiply, denominator with denominator, multiply. Yes, my dear student, 7 into 3, 21 and 5 ones are 5. Now convert this improper fraction into mixed number. Yes, you are right, my dear student. That means we have to divide this number and we will get a mixed number. 21 divided by 5. Yes, 5 table up to 21. 5 4s are 20. Yes, you are right, my dear student. 20. Subtract it. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Yes. What is the number first? 4 will come here. And what is the remainder? It will come upstairs as a numerator 1. And as it is, denominator remain the same. Yes. So 4 and 1 by 5. That is our final answer and lowest form. Look at the second one. Same way, 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Just you can check it. Here you can multiply and check plus 1. 3 ones are 3. Plus 1. 4 upon 3. Yes, yes. 4 upon 3. Now what about this one, third one? 2 into 6 upon 7. Very simple. 6 2s are 12. 12 divided by 7. And you will get answer 1 I upon 7. In rough work, you can just check out yourself also. Last but not least for this one, 5 into 2 upon 9 will give us 5 2s are 10, 10 upon 9, 9 ones are 9 plus 1, 10. 2 upon 3 multiply by 4. See student, here they put the integer backside. Don't afraid. Backside, no problem. Just you have to multiply numerator. 2 into 4, 8. 8 divided by 3. Once again I am showing to here how to got the answer. 3 2s are 6. 2 is the remainder. This 2 has to come here and this 2 has to go as a numerator. Sorry, numerator. The remainder will come as the numerator side. Okay? Yes. Now what about the others? Yes, others are also here. Don't afraid. Very simple. The method is same. Nothing new. Try to get the answer. Yes, my dear student. Here one more example I want to show you about this 8 one. See student, this one you can cut. 5 ones are 5, 5 4s are 20. Or some students are doing like this way. In place of 20 they can write 4 into 5. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. This will cut. Now what is the left side? Left on the numerator side, 4 into 4. That gives a 16. Easy? Yes. You are so smart and you are knowing now all the rules of the mathematics. Very simple. Here is the question number 4. Question number 4 is here, student. See what is the question? Yes, here 1 of 2 of the circle in box, 2 of 3 of the rectangle, triangle in a box, and third 3 upon 5 of the squares in box A, B, C. Circles, triangles and rectangles are given or squares are given. You have to color it. How to color it, student? Yes. See, coloring the pictures, or you have to show it 1 by 2 of 12 circle. How many circles were there, student? 12. Out of you have to select 2 only. So how many colors you will do? Yes, 1 by 2 into 12, because 12 circles are given. Good, student. Here 12 and 2. 12 divided by 2 gives us a 6 as integer. 2 by 3 of 9, because 9 triangles are given. Yes. So 2 by 3 multiplied by 9. 9 means here, student. See how to simplify this one. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what is left here? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 gives us a 6. Yeah, 6 is there. Last but not least of this question, 3 upon 5 of 15 squares, because 15 squares are given in picture. 3 upon 5 multiplied by 15, which gives us a 3 upon 3. 3 multiplied by 3, because 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. As a numerator side, you can get it is equal to 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Yes, very good. And you enjoy this one colorful? Yes, you can make it a rough sketch, no problem, and color it. How many are there? It's pencil only, shaded pencil, huh? Yes. Question number 5. Question number 5 gives us a find 1 upon 2f of first A 24 and second 1 upon 2 of 46. In one question they ask 2. Understood? A questions having 1 and 2. B also having 1 and 2. Let's see the answer for this one. First question number 5. A first 1 of 2 of 24. 1 by 2 of 24. Very simple. How it were 12? I just said in previous question, we can write 1 by 2 of means multiply sign and 24. 1 by 2 of 24, that means 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24. So answer is 12. Look at the second one. 1 by 2 of 46 means multiply by 46. 2 1s are 2 and 23s are 46. So second answer is also 26. Understood? Will check yourself. Yes. Look at the B. 2 by 3 of 18. First का उसका देखते बेटा. 2 by 3 of 18. Let's check. 2 by 3 of means multiply. And what is 18? Yes. 3 1s are 3, 6 3s are 18. Now what is their upside? 2 into 6. That gives me a 12. I am writing here 1 answers. Second you can just do yourself. Yes. 12 is right. You want second one? Okay, let's see. C का पहला स्टूडेंट 3 by 4 upon 16. Just cut it. 3 into 4, 12 is the answer. And 4 by 5 of 20, which gives you a 4 into 4, 16. Okay. Now B part. Second one. A card second one student 1 upon 2 of 46, that already we get 23. Second 2 by 3 of 27 gives us a 18. Okay student, or remaining are here 3 by 4 of 36. Yes, that is our 27. And last but not least 4 upon 5 of 35. Of ka matlab student multiply, just here put the multiply sign. Yes, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are. So 4 into 7 in the next step, and 20 is the last one. Now look at the question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. 3 into 5, 1 upon 5. B. 5 into 6, 3 upon 4. C, D, E, F. Whatever is there, just we can check one by one. Here are the answer for this all. We can concentrate on answer number 1 only. Yes, my dear students, here are the 3 into 5, 1 upon 5. First of all, make this number, second number, mixed number into an improper fraction. 5 5s are 25 plus 1. That gives me a 26. Yes, student, 26 and 5. Now what we have to do? Yes, this multiplication is there. 3 into 26 divided by 5. Very simple. Which gives me a 78 upon 5. How to get 78 upon 5? It's an improper fraction. So you are knowing the method. Once again, for this question we are doing here. 78 divided by 5, which gives me a 5 ones are 5. 2 is the left, bringing down 8. And 5 are, yes, 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30 is more than 28. Now what is the left here? Reminder, 8 minus 5, 3, and 2 minus 2, 0. Yes, my dear student, this is a integer, 15 is a integer. This remainder will goes to the numerator, and whatever the denominator is remain as it is. So final answer is 15, 3.5. Would you want to check the answer? Very simple. Cycling. 15 5s are? Yes, 75. And plus 3 means 78. Yes, this is a 78 upon 5. Your answer is right. Now look at the B. 5 multiplied by 6, 3 upon 4. First of all, make this mixed number into improper fraction, multiply and plus. 6 4s are 24, plus 3, 27. Yes, student, 27 is here, and 4 as it is. Now look at here, what is there? Yes, numerator multiplications, 5 into 27 upon 4, which gives me a 135 upon 4. Simplification is this, 33, 3 upon 4. As it is, you can solve it one by one, all questions. If you have any doubt, you can just check the answers, whatever you are having. Okay? Shall we move for the next question? Yes, question number 7 is here. See, what is that? 1 upon 2 of 2, 3 upon 4, second 4, 2 upon 9. Very simple. Don't afraid about this one. Whatever we did in 6th question, the same thing will be here. Check the first one. 1 by 2 of 2, 3 upon 4. In 6th question we had an integer. Here is a fraction into fraction. Here multiplication 1 by 2, make it the improper fraction. These steps will give us here like this way, 11 upon 4. How? 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Now check it, numerator with numerator, denominator, denominator. Multiplication sign. Yes, student. That gives a 11 1 is 11 and 4 to the 8. 11 upon 8 divide. You will get 1, 3 upon 8. Look at the second one. 1 by 2 of 4, 2 upon 9. Very simple. Yes, 38 upon 9. Yes, student. Here you will check this box. 4 numbers are there. 1, 2, 38, 9. These are on multiplication and division form. Yes, 2 ones are 2 and 19 twos are 38. Now what is there on numerator side? 1 into 19, that means a 19, and 1 into 9, that means a 9. Easy? If it is possible, cut it here only. Simplified. Now look at here about this one. Anything is possible? No. That means we have to multiply together. Here 4 numbers are there, but no relation between each other. Now let's about the last one. Yes, there is also not. You can do this as a multiplication format. Good. Now look at about here question number 8. Last question of this exercise. Very simple one, student. But this is a statement wala. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contains 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. First, how much water did Vidya drink? Second, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? See, it's a practical life use of these fractions. Very simple answer is here. What things are given? The quantity of water is given 5 liters. And second one, first question के लिए Vidya drank how much? 2/5 part of the 5 liter. Yes, of means multiply. 2/5 multiplied by 5. 5 cut. How many liters Vidya drank the water? 2 liters. And what about the Pratap? 5 minus 2. That means 3 liter of the water Pratap took. Or you can take the part of the part, that's a wall part, minus 2/3, 5. Because 2/5 drank by the Vidya. So Pratap consumed this much. Yes, 5 minus 2. Yes, how to simplify this one? Very simple. Nothing is here, that means 1. Make it LCM. So we can write 5 into 1 upon 1 into 5 minus 2/5. Yes, student? Very good. 5/5 minus 2/5. Why I did this one? Make the like fractions. Yes, now 5 is one time and 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, that means 3/5. Yes, 3/5 is the answer. 3/5 part drank by the Pratap. 3/5 of 5 liter. That means 3/5 multiplied by 5. Which gives me a 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 3 liters. And as per also you can check 2 plus 3, 5 liters over. Our answer is over here. And thank you once again. Take care. Be safe. Till there. Bye bye. Anyone has doubts till now? No. So once again, I repeat the questions. Vidya and Pratap's consume some part of the water out of 5 liters. Vidya's part is given 2/5. 2/5 is drank by the Vidya and remaining Pratap drank. That means a whole part is there. Out of that some part we subtracted. That's why here written here. Some students still now confused how to get 3/5. Student, one part is there. Suppose there is an apple. Out of apple, 2/5 parts written by some student. Now what is remaining with you? That part we have to subtract. Whole apple is there, 2/5. Yes, then after simplification. 5 1 is 5 minus 2/5. Yes. Cycling. What about this? 3/5 part. Yes, 3/5 means it's a part. How much is the total? 5 liters. So 5 cut. There is a 3 liter of water consumed by the Pratap. Is it? Very good. Once again, bye bye.